61. The ranks. This is a Madani Surah revealed probably in the first or second year of Hijrah. It has 14 verses in 2 sections. The Surah exhorts Muslims to defend the truth. It tells them that this may involve fighting the enemies who may come to attack Muslims. The surah speaks about Prophet Moses and his difficulties with his own people. He told them to follow Allah's rule, and they did not listen to him. Then Allah sent Jesus among them. And he also reminded them about Allah and gave them the good news of the coming of Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon all the prophets and messengers of Allah. But they continue in their stubborn denial. The surah ends with the good news that the true religion will prevail in the end, and Allah will give it victory. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Struggle for the truth. The light of Islam will shine more. Number 2. The way of success for the believers is to struggle for the truth.